I forgot what day it is today. I'm gonna look. Oh, yeah, baby. It's finally here. April Fool's Day is finally here. Which means it's showtime. Oh, yeah, April Fool's Day is my second favorite holiday. Is when I get to pull pranks on my besties. Well, first, I'm gonna pretend that I'm not here anymore. So, let's do this. This ought to be funny. Oh god. Hey, Angelica, wakey wakey. Hey, boss. I'm awake. Yeah. Did you have a good sleep? Yeah, of course I did. Alright, now I gotta wake up Melissa. Melissa, it's time to get up. Hello? Hey. I gotcha! You really thought that I was in a deep sleep, huh? Oh my god, Melissa, you scared me. April Fools. Wait, is it April Fool's Day? Yes, it is. Oh, well, no wonder you pulled a prank. Wait, what? Is it really April Fool's Day? Yeah. Oh, God. Angelica, what? Do you know what day it is today? No. It's, what day is it? My birthday? No! Your birthday's in July! It's April 1st! Okay, and? That means April Fool's Day! Oh no. I know! It's the day that Melissa takes this day seriously. She always takes this day too seriously. Y'all are gonna face my pranks, and I can see it coming. Yeah, I know. You always take this day seriously. That's right. And also, you scared me when you weren't waking up. I mean, I thought you were actually dead there. Yeah, I guess. Now, don't you ever do that to me again. Okay, sorry. The heck are we gonna do, boss? I don't know, but hopefully this year's price won't be that bad. Okay. Oh, what the heck? Oh my god! Oh, holy crap! Oh! Melissa, get this thing off of me! This damn thing done came alive on me! Help! April Fools, Angelica! I getcha! Melissa, get this thing off of me before it comes alive! This damn thing already came alive on me! Oh my god! Dude, just get this stupid thing off of me! Ugh. My gosh, she always starts this crap every time I lay down to take a freaking nap. That was hilarious. She should have saw the look on her face. I need to get this Quaid. Morza? What? I want you to do something for me. What is it? Um, can you wash this? Uh, sure, I can. I can do that. Really? Yeah, just open the lid. I'll start washing it. Okay, if you say so. Whoa! What the heck? Ha, psych, I gotcha. What, why is the lid locked? You really thought I was gonna let you do laundry today? Yeah. Well, you're wrong. April Fools. Come on. Why do you do this? Because I love you. Well, your love sucks. Really? Okay, I kind of felt that, boss, of what you just said to me. Come on, open the lid. No, I'm not doing it after you just insulted me. I didn't insult you. Yes, you did. So now I'm definitely not unlocking it. Oh, damn it. Double April Fools. I'm not unlocking my lid, sorry. Damn it! Boss, my freaking nerves are shot. Why? What's the matter? Did you have a nightmare? No! Even worse! Melissa made me die in my dream. What are you talking about? I was dreaming, and then all of a sudden, I heard music playing, and that scared the crap out of me. I was on a building in my dream, and then I fell off. And then, boom, I legit freaking died. Oh my god. Yeah, and do you know who caused it? Melissa did. She's the one who did this. Oh god. That's terrible. Well, she locked me out. She also did a prank on me. I was gonna wash a tablecloth, but she locked me out and said, April Fools, I'm not letting you do laundry. And then I kinda insulted her, and now she won't unlock her lid after what I just said to her. Damn. I know. It sucks, doesn't it? Yeah. Well, I'm glad you don't have a door lock or anything. Yeah, I guess. But we need to get her back. Yeah, we need to get her back of what she's done to us today. Yeah. But how are we gonna get her back? Alright, listen to this, Angelica. I got a plan. Oh god, what is it gonna be? Boss, I think it's time we should do the prank on her. Really? Yeah, because earlier Melissa said that she was gonna take a nap. Oh, well, okay. Yes, so I think it's time we should do the prank while she's taking a nap. Well, okay. Alright, I'm gonna open this lid. Oh, she did unlock it. That's pretty nice. And now, we're gonna power this speaker on and set this right in here where Melissa cannot see it. So, this ought to be good. And we're gonna play Melissa's favorite song because why not? Yeah, she'll be so confused. Yup. So let's do this prank. Okay, now let's set this right in here. And I might have to turn it down a little bit so that way it doesn't completely scare her. I don't want her to throw a fit. Okay, now we are gonna go ahead and play the song. Oh god, this is gonna be good. I know. Melissa. What? Can't you see I'm trying to take a nap? Yeah, but I need to tell you a secret. Oh god, what are you gonna tell me? What the heck? I'm hearing something. Oh my god! What? Oh my god, I'm feeling something. Oh my god. What? What are you? I feel vibration. It's coming from my tongue. Nothing to see there, Melissa. Something's vibrating me. Oh my god. Oh god, what's that sound? Are you possessed or something? No, I'm not. Don't say that. Something's... Oh my god. What is that sound? I don't know. Oh, I definitely hear it. And feel it. Let me... Oh, hold on. Something's wrong here. Oh my god. Nothing's wrong, Melissa. Everything's okay. Dude, are you kidding me? Are you for real right now? That was so funny. You looked worried there, Melissa. Are you for real right now? You didn't like that, did ya? No, I didn't. I thought something was going on with me. I thought I was out of balance. Oh my god. Man, you really thought something was wrong with you? Yeah. Oh my god, that scared me so damn bad. Oh my god. April Fool's, Melissa. Shoot, I can't believe you got me. Yep. That's what you get for pranking us every single year. Damn, I can't believe you got me on that one. You scared me to death. Yeah, it wasn't funny, was it? No, it wasn't. That scared me. Don't you ever do that to me again. Okay. Okay, I promise. Won't do it again. Yeah.